Why does Lord Voldemort have Twitter but not Facebook? Because he only has followers, not friends. If you're a Harry Potter fan, you'll appreciate this pun. But it also holds a key lesson for affiliate marketers worldwide. To get enough sales, you need to convert your followers. And if you fail to do so, there's no point of having thousands of followers. What if I tell you that now there is no need to have a solid following base? You might wonder if a large follower base is essential to earn significant commissions in affiliate marketing. The answer? Not anymore. In today's digital landscape, it's possible to succeed without a massive following. So, how can you make this happen? If you're curious, you're ready to discover the actionable strategies for affiliate marketing in 2023. Make sure you stick to the end because we're going to show you how to create a winning affiliate marketing strategy. But first, let's demystify this buzzing industry. What exactly is affiliate marketing? Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets behind this lucrative opportunity. Affiliate marketing is a performance-driven marketing approach where companies partner with associates or affiliates to promote their products and services. In return, affiliates earn a commission for every sale or lead generated through their unique affiliate links. This mutually beneficial relationship allows companies to boost their sales while providing affiliates with lucrative earning opportunities when they fully commit to their efforts. In this section of our video on affiliate marketing, we want to address a common question. Can you rely solely on affiliate marketing as your main source of income? The honest answer is not right away, especially for beginners. But don't worry. Don't click away just yet. Let me explain further. As you invest more time into understanding affiliate marketing, crafting strategies, and executing them effectively, you can gradually build a more substantial income. Here's an interesting fact for you. On average, affiliate marketers earn $59,060 per year, with a range from $58,000 to $158,000. This includes additional pay options such as cash bonuses, commissions, tips, or profit sharing. Intriguing, isn't it? Now that we've cleared that up, I hope you're ready to dive into the exciting world of affiliate marketing. We understand that you're eager to get started, and the good news is that it's quite beginner-friendly. So let's move on to the main topic you've come to this video for and start exploring the essentials of affiliate marketing. In this section of our video on affiliate marketing, we're going to explore some unique and effective strategies for leveraging the power of social media, specifically Instagram, to excel in the affiliate marketing game. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on these opportunities. I'm sure you're an Instagram user, right? You must be following numerous influencers with massive fan bases. This is where your first move in the affiliate marketing world begins. Start by conducting thorough research to identify a high-potential niche or industry that can generate significant commissions for you. It could be in the health sector, fitness, pets, or any other area that interests you. Once you've pinpointed the niche you want to work in, things will become much smoother. Now, you'll need to find relevant products to promote. ClickBank is a fantastic platform offering a variety of products with attractive commission rates, long cookie windows, and user-friendly withdrawal options. However, you're not limited to this single affiliate program. There are many others, such as Amazon Associates, CJ Affiliate, Rakuten, and more. So take the time to research and find the best fit for your chosen niche. We won't delve too deeply into each program in this video, but we'll dedicate another video to explain how these programs work in step-by-step detail guides. So, most of you would have heard or read about ClickFunnels for sure, and the latest version they launched recently, also known as ClickFunnels 2.0. Even if you are not aware of it, I've got your back. ClickFunnels 2.0 is the most powerful software in the market, designed to create efficient marketing funnels and landing pages, generating leads and boosting sales. Its latest version offers even more features to streamline the customer buying journey. Take advantage of a free test drive linked below and elevate your website, landing pages, and marketing strategies with ClickFunnels 2.0. After subscribing to ClickFunnels, you'll need to create an opt-in page to collect email addresses. Offer value in exchange, such as a free ebook or relevant content. While only a portion of visitors will engage further, you can still promote future products via email campaigns. Next, craft a compelling landing page to educate prospects on the product's benefits. Consider hiring a professional copywriter from platforms like Fiverr to ensure top-notch results, as you don't want to lose potential customers to save a few dollars. Yes, it requires effort and some investment, but remember, there's no shortcut to success in affiliate marketing or any field. Be prepared to invest time and resources to achieve your goals. Now that you've chosen your niche, selected a relevant product or service, and created an engaging landing page with ClickFunnels 2.0, it's time to collaborate with influential personalities on Instagram. Look for those with a loyal fan base, high engagement rates on posts, stories, and reels, and a willingness to give shoutouts. Reach out with a polite message, persuading them to create a post or reel or add your opt-in page linked to their stories while promoting your product. Typically, they charge between $20 to $3,000 per post, depending on their follower count. Once you've secured a partnership, you're ready to launch. You'll soon see increased email signups, landing page traffic, and sales-qualified leads. With ClickFunnels 2.0's dynamic dashboard, you can track your funnel's performance and make data-driven decisions to refine your strategy. Be wise as your success hinges on your niche and product choices. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to earning as an affiliate marketer, potentially making your first $1,000 or more in no time. Just remember, research and hard work is crucial to your success. Additionally, before you go, it's essential to understand the concept of click karma in the context of affiliate marketing. Click karma refers to the positive ripple effect created when you click on an affiliate link to support a special affiliate. As you click on an affiliate link, the affiliate program tracks this action, and if you make a purchase or complete the desired action, the affiliate earns a commission. The principle of click karma suggests that when you click on an affiliate link, the positive energy or goodwill generated by this action is transferred to the affiliate. By supporting the affiliate through your clicks, you foster a mutually beneficial relationship, which can result in future advantages for both parties. That's all for now. Catch you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the bell icon for notifications.